So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Shreya, and guys, today we are starting the video from here. And happy Teej all of you. Okay.
Present here.
So he is here, and today I'm
Kept the
fast.
fast. Thank you, Koshi.
Welcome.
I can't bear my hunger,
Hmm.
and she has been keeping fast for I think since 12 p.m.
Hmm.
Very tough.
Hmm.
I don't know when I will keep fast.
So guys, let me tell. Today I will say everything. So guys, if you want to ask me the question that from where you have buy earrings, I will tell you, and from where you have buy this ring and this ring, I will tell you all the things in the comment. But before this, I'm not going to tell you that from online I have to purchase or offline. Okay. And that's all. I have made a simple and elegant juda, that is a bun you can see, with artificial gajra. Hmm. And the very simple makeup. And this sari has given by my sister-in-law. Now it's your turn.
No.
Yes,
Speak.
it's your turn now. Say anything that how I am looking. Say.
The looking most beautiful girl in this world. You, you अब अच्छे से तैयार हुई हो.
You dressed very well. You
Yeah.
get ready very well.
Yeah, you got ready very well.
And guys, the video is little bit no, it's good. Guys, whenever I get ready from parlor, okay, I book parlor. He don't like my look. I don't know why, but seriously, I also don't like the look because they use too much blushes. I don't like blushes, so that's why the first thing is that they apply kajal which not suits on me, and the next one is blushes. They apply blushes. And in next means in last parlor, when I went in means parlor, I sat to means to the parlor, to the manager, okay, the artist who were doing make my makeup.
Beautician.
Yes, beautician, that don't apply blush. My cheeks are already very thin. If you will apply blush, it will look more thinner. So she was saying no, okay, I will not apply. Then I don't know means why she has applied. And kajal is also, I don't like kajal. And I means if I'm doing like curly hair type of strips, so it don't suit on me, and she has done that. So is it true or wrong? Is it true or
It's right.
hmm. So guys, I have applied both the hand mehndi. This I have applied in the daytime, that's why it is not really visible.
You can share your experience. How was your day without food, water,
Hmm.
nothing you have eaten? So how was your day? Are you feeling means do you want water or food
Hmm.
first?
So this is the question you are asking. In this question, I should not answer. I should answer that yes, no, I'm not feeling thirsty and hungry, because I have learned from somewhere that if on fast, if we will say that I'm feeling hungry, or I want water, or maybe I should eat these things. If I will think a lot,
Hmm.
my what we will say punne.
Will disappear.
Yes. So I should say that Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
when I was free and I was doing household work, I was, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, मेरे मन में आ नहीं रहा, tempting that mantra,
Chanting.
that mantra. Yes. How do you know?
Related to mantra. Always we
Chanting.
use chat.
So I was chanting this mantra all the day, Om Namah Shivaya, because if another thought will come, so I don't know what I will think, and I should not think unnecessary thing today.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay.
Guys, now in next coming days, means in marriage, in someone marries, suppose, and in reception, I'm going to do something experimental on my face. You know what?
No.
I will apply lens and eyelashes
When?
in marriage or reception or in any engagement. Lens and eyelashes, because he is saying that I don't like parlor makeup, so I have to buy that things.
Yes, you may.
They apply
But
eyelashes
it
too
should be
heavy.
but it should be comfortable for you. You do you remember you were unable to walk
Hmm.
at that time, so be careful and be comfortable with the things.
Actually, that was a local lens, and she has applied not correctly. That's why. Guys, I can't, means if I will look at my photos of marriage, I don't like my photo because my eye lenses were not correctly, applied. It was little bit idhar udhar jaise bhengi type.
Hmm.
So in very few photos I look good in my marriage. So that's why I'm thinking that if we will become so rich, then we will again marry. Will you?
Yeah, we will.
We will do the full ceremony.
And our children will watch our
Okay.
marriage.
Yes, good. So guys,
I think we have completed,
no, that was the 2-minute video.
but I'm
Not feeling bad.
pain.
So you can lie down. I'm talking to my audience. So guys, his channel, but I'm taking interest. So
What
guys,
do you want to say? You are bhadakaing my audience
no,
that
no.
it is his channel, but I am taking interest. So what do you want to say?
So guys, many things I have noticed when I get ready in parlor. They apply thick eyeliner on my eyes. That is also not suits on me. So I'm telling you this makeup tips, that if your eyes are small and your eyelid is like this type of eyelid, if you have that, this is on your eyelid, so don't apply full and very thick eyeliner. That should be thinner, in which your eyelid should enhance like this. So I have learned many things from myself, that what suits on me and what suits not on me. I think I have weared so many bangles.
Hmm.
But today is the festival of wearing everything. Guys, I have kamarband also, but today I have not weared
Why?
because I will wear in some another day.
Occasion. Some another occasion.
Yes, some another occasion. So this sari I was saying to you that I will wear and then I will show you. And I have alta also on my leg. How I will show. Advika Navika, Adi. They are fighting. Advik, ये लो चीकू, दूसरा चीकू आ गया. He was saying to Chiku, Kichu, Chichu, Adi Kichu.
Last night he came. And where were you? Where were you at that time?
Then what he was saying?
I don't know where you were, but he came and no, you were teaching
Okay,
students.
okay.
So he came and he was saying Kichu Kichu. I was not unable to understand. Then I understood
Chiku.
that yeah, Chiku. So he was saying open this Chiku Chiku.
Kichu Kichu.
Oh yeah. So
Again he was coming. Today he came.
yeah, he was saying all the time.
Kichu,
Yeah, yeah.
Kichu. I'm thinking that what I have to push.
And I was searching key, but I was unable. Then I said that it can't be open because I don't have key. So he was saying no, I want this, I want this. Then I said okay, open by yourself. So he was opening, unable to. Then he was shouting. Then I said
Daddy has taken.
no, I just distracted him to
Okay.
another.
Today he was so much disturbing. He was saying that Chachi, Khichu, Khichu. I said that Khich. He said that nahi Chachu, Khichu de do. Then I was thinking that what he is saying. Then he make the gesture to the almira that Chachi Khichu nikal do. This is my marriage Mangalsutra. Today he has applied sindoor, guys. And this sindoor which I have applied, that was my Singhora sindoor, because on Teej festival and on Karwa Chauth, on any occasion, if you're going for in a temple, or if you are sitting in a but if you are doing worship, so you should apply Singhora Mangalsutra. Oh, Singhora sindoor.
Hmm.
And you know the one thing that we should not means separate the singhura cap from that container, that singhura. We should attach.
Hmm.
We should not do like this, that we have kept somewhere separate. We have separated the container from that cap. We should touch that. And I have
ChatGPT. ChatGPT.
no, mom has also told, and I have asked from many people. One auntie was also saying before my marriage.
Hmm.
So guys, bye bye. See you later and happy Teej all of you. And rate my look.
Bye guys.
Bye bye. And Rahul, you will not show you. So guys, he have also applied Mehndi. I will show you. See, he was sleeping and I have made. Bye bye guys.